want to be happy. I want to be happy. Maybe each one of us wants to be happy somewhere in their lives. So, what is this elusive happiness? What is the secret to happiness? Today, let us uncover the secret to happiness as per NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. Happiness, as most of us understand, grammatically is an abstract noun. Yes, abstract. So we keep trying to find it somewhere as if it is a thing, it is something, maybe it's a feeling, and we keep discovering it. NLP suggests another idea. It says, turn it into the adverb form, the quality of the actions you do. So when happiness becomes an adverb, it becomes happily. You work happily, you enjoy happily, you sleep happily, you wake up happily, you work happily, you write happily, you meet people happily, you think happily, you go through experiences of life happily. I'm making this video happily. You're watching it happily. And that's exactly when happiness becomes the quality of actions you do. Happiness is just all around you and within yourself. So make happiness of quality of things you do. Make it an adverb in your life. And that's how you become happy all the time in your life. This is your coach Ashish Sehgal, and let's meet sometime soon. Happily.